much for this honest work.
Whoa.
You sure, buddy?
There's a bunch of feathers there.
Ow! Find it. Hunt him up, buddy.
You want me to let her go?
Yeah.
Okay, go.
Hunt him up. Hunt him up.
They're fairly certain that there was something there. Oh my God. Dude, I'm for sure got that on camera. That was crazy. Dude, there is no doubt. Holy shit. Did you blow it open? Dude, you hit that thing so dead on. Hey, Luna, let's go. Find your own. Find your own. Yeah, it's running towards you, Oliver. Hey, here.
Where's Matt? Matt?
He's right there.
Here.
Come here, Luna.
Oh,
Damn, that was awesome.
Hunt, let's go. Find a bird. Are we going left?
Right.
Right. Max is on point.
We're walking down, and I just happened to look directly to my right.
Yeah.
Not even 5 feet away, there's a quail sitting on the fence. Over there.
Yeah, just sitting there like, what are y'all doing? Yeah. Whoa. Whoa.
Big bird.
Whoa. That's Max's bird.
Thank you. Dead.
Okay.
Dead. 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 Dead.
Yeah, Luna's about to come grab it from you.
Here. Whoa.
She's about to find herself one.
That's a quail. Yeah, quail. Female. Whoa, your dog?
Whoa.
Where is she?
She's right here. She's on whoa.
Have you not shot it?
No.
Get up here.
Where is it at?
I don't know.
All right. Oh, I see it. It's over here. It's a quail. It's pointed towards CJ. It's walking towards me now. It's walking away from you. It's walking towards Oliver now in the right in the middle of the bush.
I see him. He's coming towards Max. Max, yep, right here.
He's coming towards me. He's coming towards CJ. I'm gonna flush him towards CJ.
All right.
I gotta try to sneak up on him before he goes back into the bush here. Ah, fuck. He sees me. There he goes. He's coming out towards me. I'm gonna flush him. Whoa! Fuck. I missed him.
It's okay.
No.
Whoa.
This way, Luna. Hey. Hey. This way. Come here. No. Here. Let's go. This way.
On point. Whoa. Let John handle.
Here, I'll flush.
Which way?
Let me see if I can find it. Oh, it's right here. It's right here. I see it moving. Whoa, Luna. It's pointed towards you, James.
All right.
I'm gonna flush.
Well, you got to get ready too, man. We don't know which way it's going. Max is right there.
Behind.
Final. Max is on point right there. Ready.
I could have swore I just saw it run right here. Whoa.
Nope. All right.
Hey, hey, here. Let's go this way. Let's go this way.
Nice, dude. Denver, man. Denver.
Let's go, Luna, this way.
Is he on point? Yep. Dead. Is that the one you were dead? Another one?
Another one. Wow.
Get ready.
I'll walk around like here.
Coming this way.
All right.
Y'all ready? Yep.
Whoa. It's right here. I see it. Max is it's looking right at Max.
Oh, I see him right here. I've got him in my line right here. To your right. Oh, he's going back in.
Yeah.
Towards you, John.
It's here.
There he is, right here. He's coming out this way.
There he is.
Max! Whoa!
Okay, Luna, let's go.
You got
Dead.
a dead bird.
Dead!
He's around here, huh?
Dead!
This way, Luna.
Max! Dead! Dead!
Where'd he go? I think I saw him more back here.
Dead! Dead! Max on point!
Whoa. There's yours, CJ. Ah, he flew too low. He flew right above that tree line. Let's go, find a bird.
Yeah, the lower the fly, the harder it is to nail.
Point! Bird, bird! Max! Whoa!
Hey, whoa! Whoa!
Who was that?
There.
Max! Whoa!
Bring it here. Bring it here. Luna,
Max! Here!
hey, bring it here.
Here!
Give. Come here. Bring it here. Here.
Here!
Yeah, I like 12.
Here! Whoa!
She gave it a little tenderizing.
It's all good. Perfect.
Good shot.
Thank you.
Luna's on the other side of the bush.
Oh. Whoa, hey. Okay, fine. Fuck it. Fetch.
Whoa. Dead bird.
Here. Here. Hey. Hey. Here. Bring it here. Here.
Yeah. A little bit bigger than quail.
Hey. Leave it.
Hey, Luna.
Turd.
This is a bird dropping fucking floor.
Here you go. Oh, I get.
Oh. Take your poison.
Let's go. Find a bird. Come on. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Hey, hey, this way. Here, come here. Nope, don't chase it. Let's go. This way. Here, let's go. This way.
John, let's get you right over there.
Yeah. Whoa.
You get ready to shoot.
Oh, I see him.
Fly, mother. There you go. Luna, you ran right past. There you go.
Bring it here.
Back.
Here. Luna. I got.
Oh, you got one? Okay. Oh, that's it.
Whoa.
Get ready, it's coming.
Oh. Fetch. Hey, here. Good dog. Come here. Hey.
Whoa. Whoa.
Here. Give. Thank you.
Put. We got 2 quail. Go further.
Whoa, Luna.
Come all the way around. Hold on. Got 1. Oh shit, pheasant! We got a pheasant. Go, I need you up here.
I'm gonna come around.
Wait. We got a pheasant and 2 quail. Get ready, pheasant's about to fly.
He's back in the bush.
Oh, y'all ready for the quail?
Yep. Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa. Where'd the other one go?
I only saw one. You
Max,
called out 2.
hunt.
I only saw 1 fly.
Did the pheasant come out?
Hey, bring it here. Hey, bring it
It's
here.
in here somewhere.
Here. That pheasant's still in there. Hey, bring it here.
Still in there, still in there.
Max! Yeah, there's 2.
Here! Point! Here! Here! Point! There you go. Point! He sees them. Is there 2 or?
2.
All right, there's a quail.
Hey,
Quail and a pheasant.
Quail
There's
and
a
a
quail
pheasant.
coming out the other side.
Luna, heel. Heel. Hey. Whoa. Whoa.
Right, get ready.
Yep.
One's going your
Oh my God, it's walking right here. I'm gonna let it fly and shoot it. Oh fuck, she got it. Good girl, bring it here. Look at her. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. Here, Luna. Here. Hey, give. Give. Good girl. Good girl.
Here. Here. Yeah. Right,
Here you go,
it's in
CJ.
the tree.
It's in the tree.
Okay, I thought we missed this one.
Well, she took care of it.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, whoa. Okay, find a bird.
Here. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, yeah.
So how you liking the new Benelli?
That pheasant?
Huh?
Or not? The one that was flushed out? Where you at? You
Yeah.
Yeah, fucking Luna
you got it.
ran to the fence line and grabbed it.
Got it.
He's got it.
That pheasant that flew, I thought we missed.
All right. There you go.
James, it stops along the fence line here.
Yeah, so let's
Just go back that way.
yeah, we'll go back this way. Then let's start making our way back to the truck. And get the dog some water.
Good boy.
Whoa.
I hope you did not split that one in half again.
Bring it here, Luna.
That one took a beating, man.
Hey, let's go. Bring it here.
Is there anything left?
Yeah, it was good. Yeah,
Oh yeah, dude. It's perfect. Whoa, Luna. Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
Good bird.
Hey. Whoa. Whoa, whoa.
That was a long ass shot.
That was like what?
Hey.
200 yards?
Okay, find a bird. Let's go.
Dead, Mac. Dead. 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 Where'd he go?
Luna, let's go this way.
Come on. I don't know. So
Yeah, I'll come back. Do you want to wrap around?
yeah, come and get it
Whoa, Luna.
up there.
Whoa.
John, you shooting or you?
John?
Oh, I'm just gonna watch her. She's been chasing. I'm just gonna watch her.
Yeah, I'll stand right in front of you.
Oh fuck, it's right there.
Whoa. Good shot.
Who was that?
Dead bird.
Okay.
CJ, that was you?
Yeah.
Wait, James, you or CJ?
Oh, that was all him.
Oh, man.
That's that bird, dog. Here. 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 Here.
Whoa. 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 Fetch. Get it. Fetch. Fetch. Find it. Bring it here, Luna. Bring it here. Let's go. Bring it here. Let's go. Good girl. Bring it here. Bring it here. No.
Quail. I see it. Get ready.
Whoa, Luna.
I'm gonna try to flush it that way.
Whoa.
Connell.
Whoa. Whoa.
Dead.
Okay.
Sometimes they just go in the opposite direction.
Dead. That's a good girl. Dead. Mac.
Here. Bring it here. Here. Good girl.
Mac.
Hey, leave it.
Here.
Good girl.
Here.
Let's go, Luna.
Here.
This way. Find it. Oh, I got one or two more in there.
There you go.
Yeah, there's two there. I think I got one or two more there. One more.
16, nice.
Thank you, buddy. You saved the day.
There's a lot more out there.
Holy shit.
What we got? 3 more.
Pretty much, but it's honest work.